DoNotPay fight traffic tickets pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people overpay when contesting traffic tickets, but the surprising truth is that DoNotPay offers an AI-driven solution that makes fighting tickets fast, affordable, and stress-free. DoNotPay operates on a per-month subscription, giving you access to unlimited traffic ticket disputes, as well as other automated legal tools. Platform generates appeal letters tailored to your specific ticket, jurisdiction, and circumstances, reducing the risk of errors compared to DI attempts. For example, if you received a speeding ticket, you input the ticket information and the AI drafts a professionally formatted appeal letter citing relevant laws and defences. You can submit this directly to the court, often increasing your chances of dismissal or reduced fines. DoNotPay also tracks deadlines and provides step-by-step instructions for submission, so you never miss a critical date. Users report saving hundreds of dollars and hours of time, making it a highly cost-effective alternative to hiring a lawyer. In conclusion, DoNotPay provides exceptional value for anyone dealing with traffic tickets. For a single monthly fee, you gain AI-powered tools that save time, reduce stress, and maximize your chances of a favorable outcome, a smart investment for drivers who want to fight back without paying high legal fees.